Hey guys, what's up? It's Amena. I want to say Elias's part, like it's Elias. Well, he's not here anyways, but today I am doing another vlog. It's just gonna be me and you today. So yeah, I'm gonna be cooking today, and also I'm gonna be packing and getting ready because me and Elias are going on a trip very soon. So first things first, I want to say thank you for today's sponsor, which is Every Plate. If you guys don't know what Every Plate is, it's basically a meal kit delivery service, and it makes cooking so much easier. They send you really easy to follow recipes. They send you all of the ingredients that you need, and the best thing is that it is very affordable. If you guys want to try Every Plate, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. It'll be the first one on there. You can click on it and sign up very easily. And I also have a coupon code, which is AMENA3, AMENA and the number 3, and you can get 3 weeks of meals for only $2.99. Thank you so much to Every Plate for sponsoring today's video. Now let's go ahead and get into it. Today is one of those days here in Dallas that it's like cloudy and rainy outside, and like I don't want to go outside at all. So it's actually the perfect day just to stay inside and cook, which is what I'm going to do. So this is my box that I got from Every Plate. I'm gonna show you guys what is inside, and then we're gonna pick what we can cook today for dinner. So these are the 3 meals that they sent me for this week. We have Tuscan herbed chicken, which looks pretty good. I'm probably gonna make that one. Then we have a smoky barbecue pulled chicken sandwich. And lastly, we have sweet and spicy Thai chili shrimp. That's interesting. I never tried that, but I think today I'm gonna make the Tuscan herbed chicken. That's how you say herbed, right? It's not herb, like herb. I don't know. My sister used to always make fun of me. She's like, you say herbed wrong. And I think it's the H is silent. Anyways, all right, we're going to need the tomato, garlic, Tuscan heat spice, chicken breast, linguine pasta, cream cheese, and shredded Parmesan. Let's call him and see what he's up to.
Please leave your message for...
Wow.
Please leave your message for 46.
He's trying to call me at the same time. That's what's happening. It looks super easy. There's only 6 steps. I'm just following this step by step. I have my water right here that I'm going to boil the pasta in. And then I have my chicken that's ready to be cooked. So yeah, I'm pretty much like almost done, and I just started. So that's thumbs up. I'm washing my hands. Don't worry guys. We are actually ready to put the pasta in right now. So I have linguine, that's what they gave us. And I think I'm just gonna put like half of this because it's just me eating by myself. That's so sad. Yeah, anyways, I think I'm gonna use like this much. I don't know, you know what? I always make too much pasta than I need, and like I don't know how to measure it. This is half, so I think that this would be enough for me. It looks so small, but every time whenever I make pasta, I swear I make like way too much. So we're gonna go with this. I don't know. All right, we're gonna do this for now. So I'm gonna break this in half. Can you guys see? Yeah, I'm gonna break this in half. Let's put it in the water. And our chicken is done on one side, so we're just gonna flip it over real quick. Now that the chicken is finished, I just took it out, and I'm gonna add some butter into this. And also I'm gonna add the sliced garlic, tomato, this seasoning spice. Yummy. The smell. Now I'm gonna put the cream cheese inside. Some of this water from the pasta that's boiling. So the pasta is all done. That was super easy and it looks very delicious, but we are going to test this. That took me probably about 20 minutes to make. It was super fast, faster than any Ethiopian or Sudanese food that I've ever cooked. This is what mine looks like. Can you guys see? Does it look like the picture? Here's the picture. Does it look the same? I think it does. I think so. The true test is how does it taste. So let me try it. Let me try the pasta by itself first. That tastes like something you would get at an Italian restaurant. I actually ended up putting the whole pasta in there. You know, I was scared before, but I figured that they had already pre-measured it for me. So yeah, this is enough for 2 people. And honestly, like me and Elias can't even finish it. So I like the fact that they give you a lot. Like this is 1 full plate and there's still more than half of the pan left. I want to sit down and finish this so that I'm not standing up and eating. You guys should definitely try this out if you're looking for a meal delivery kit. So yeah, you guys should definitely try this out if you're looking for a meal delivery kit. This is super easy. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. It'll be the first one. You can click on it and sign up. And also you can use my code, which is Amena3, and that'll get you 3 weeks of meals for just $2.99 each. So that's a great deal. You guys let me know if you've tried this out. I am going to clean up my kitchen and I shall return. I know that some of you guys were like requesting us to make more vlogs outside of the house, so we will be doing that. We're actually about to go on a vacation very soon, which is so exciting. It's not Africa yet. If you guys are true supporters of my videos, then you'll know that in I think the last mukbang video I told you guys that we can't leave the country because Elias's Ethiopian passport is expired, so he actually has to get it renewed. So that's what we're waiting for. We can't technically leave the US yet, but once we get that renewal, like we are long overdue. Me and Elias miss Africa so much. I miss Ethiopia so much. I miss Sudan so much. Like I want to go to other places in Africa too, but I miss our own countries so much that it's just like there's not enough time. Like honestly, if I could just become a full-time traveler where I get to learn about the country's culture and traditions and food, because that's important, that my dream job. Like I keep telling Elias, like I believe that I can do it. I think like if I put my mind to it, I could do it. But it's kind of scary because at the same time I have a job where I work from home and like it's a blessing. Honestly, like it's a blessing. It's not a hard job and it's good money, and it's just like, should I sacrifice that to go after like my dream? I don't know. These are all questions that I have that I don't know. You guys let me know, what do you think about that? Finally cleaned out this closet and it looks so good now. Like it was just so bad and so cluttered, and my shoes are all on the bottom. Can you see? There's like 2 rows. There's 2 rows of shoes all there and there. And then these are all like my shirts. And then these are all over here are like my Ethiopian and Sudanese shirts over here. And then dresses all the way down. And then Elias has this section right here. That's it. That's all he gets. He doesn't have that many clothes. It looks like a real closet again. It was looking rough in here, you guys don't know. Today and tomorrow we're just gonna be preparing for our road trip, and wow, man, my hair looks super like red in this lighting. It's pretty cool. Like I like how in every lighting my hair color changes. In real life it's not that drastic. It's just like a dark brown in real life. I know this vlog is kind of short, but honestly I had 1 hour of sleep today, so I'm sorry, like, but I just wanted to update you guys a little bit on what's going on. And I keep saying this in every video, but I'm serious this time. We're gonna start posting more consistently now. By the way, I was really thinking about making videos about like historical African powerful people, like the Queen of Sheba. And I wanted to like make it a series where I tell one story in each video. But I wasn't sure if you guys would be interested in that, because like, I don't know, it's like history stuff and I don't know how people feel about that, but I'm like so fascinated by that kind of stuff. If you guys like that idea, let me know down below. If you guys want to learn about that kind of stuff, I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, love you.